Hey, and welcome back for more stock market news updates. But first, go and press the like button on this video so you can stay up to date on the latest business news. With that being said, let's dive straight into today's stories. For the 11th straight day, the Dow Jones Index has been soaring high in full-on bull market mode. The Dow has achieved its best streak since February 2017, so this is a huge win for stock investors because it means that stocks are soaring. But hang on tight because this week is packed with potential market movers. We've got our eyes on big tech earnings, with Microsoft and Alphabet reporting today, and there's a strong likelihood of an interest rate hike from the Fed tomorrow, which could cause the stock market to drop in price. Also, if you are a taxpayer, then you should also be aware that there will be no more surprise visits from the IRS to collect payments from taxpayers' homes or businesses. The IRS is shaking things up, halting the controversial practice that's been around since the 1950s to ensure their agents' safety. Instead, they'll be sending polite letters requesting appointments. However, in specific cases, like delivering summons, subpoenas, or seizing assets, some unannounced visits may still occur, but those are relatively rare compared to routine visits. In other news, if you are invested in Adidas, then you are in luck. Adidas is selling off its Yeezy stockpile after parting ways with Kanye West due to controversial remarks. It seems that the demand for these shoes are strong because Adidas received orders for a whopping 4 million pairs, worth $562 million, in their first online sale since fall. But wait, there's more! Adidas revealed that despite the strong sales, they're now on track to lose only $498 million this year, rather than the previously predicted $775 million, which is fantastic news for Adidas shareholders. Unsurprisingly, Elon Musk made it in the headlines. After going through with his plans to rename Twitter and replace the bird logo with an X, workers attempted to remove the Twitter sign at the San Francisco HQ, but got stopped by the police. Rumors swirled about permits, but the police later clarified it was just a misunderstanding. In cryptocurrency news, WorldCoin has officially launched, and it's aiming to tackle AI-induced identity problems head-on. Co-founded by OpenAI's Sam Altman, WorldCoin is all about proving users proof of personhood through iris scans with a metallic orb. This could be a big deal. Newly verified investors are getting 25 WLD tokens just for signing up, and boy, did WLD make an entrance. It briefly surged to over $3 after getting listed on exchanges like Binance and OKX before settling around $2. But not everyone's on board with WLD. Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum creator, has some valid concerns about security, privacy, and centralization, so if you are going to invest in this crypto, make sure to be careful. Now let's talk about the ride-hailing giant Lyft, which is making moves. They're exploring strategic alternatives for their bike division, which could mean selling their fleet or forming a lucrative partnership with a cash-infusing investor. So this could either be really good or really bad news for investors. Next on the radar, tech titan Microsoft is reaching new heights. Goldman Sachs just jacked up its price target to a staggering $400 from $350, and they are still rated as a strong buy. That's a huge vote of confidence in Microsoft's future potential. Speaking of tech advancements, get this. Microsoft's OpenAI-powered Bing chatbot is now available in Google Chrome and Safari. That's right, more users will now experience the magic of AI-powered chatbots in their web browsing. On top of that, a Mizuho analyst has increased their price target on Meta to $350 from $280 while maintaining its buy rating. And if you are a Meta investor like me, then this is phenomenal news. But wait, there's more. Intel ticker symbol INTC is making some serious AI waves too. They've just announced the release of 34 open-source AI reference kits to the community, developed in collaboration with Accenture, so this move will undoubtedly fuel the AI revolution. It seems that AI innovation is unstoppable, and NVIDIA ticker symbol NVDA proves that with its recent board expansion. They've added another stellar member, Melissa Laura, bringing their board to 14 members. With the growth they're experiencing, it's no surprise that they need more brilliant minds on board. Meanwhile, Taiwan Semiconductor ticker symbol TSM is seizing the opportunity in the AI boom. They're planning to invest nearly $2.87 billion in a cutting-edge chip packaging plant in Taiwan. This move will undoubtedly position them at the forefront of AI. Switching gears, AMC theaters made headlines by nixing their plan to charge extra for prime seats. With revenue surging this year, the theater industry is hopeful for a magnificent post-pandemic comeback. Also, celebrity analyst Jim Cramer is sharing some of his thoughts with investors. He's urging everyone to keep an eye out for a swoon when stock prices suddenly drop after this earnings session. So if you're planning on buying, you could wait to get a better deal. And speaking of incredible stocks, let's talk about the Magnificent Seven. Jim Cramer mentioned Amazon, Apple, Google, Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, and Microsoft as part of his top picks. I do not normally agree with Cramer, but that list of stocks to buy is amazing. Speaking of celebrity investors, we saw Cathie Wood and ARK Invest snatching up 61,741 shares of Moderna stock ticker symbol mRNA. That's a significant move, signaling their belief in the future of the company. Last but not least, tech firm Palantir ticker symbol PLTR is teaming up with JD Power for some groundbreaking innovation. Together, they're developing generative AI and predictive analytics solutions for the automotive industry. This is great news before they release their earnings on August 7th. And there you have it, a whirlwind of financial news and incredible stock updates that are sure to leave you on the edge of your seats. Stay tuned for more thrilling updates as the financial world continues to dazzle and surprise. Don't forget to like the video, and with that being said, happy investing.